Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase diamonds on Mango Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Mango Live on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on Wallet. Select the amount of diamonds that you want to purchase. Now all you have to do is add your debit or credit card information and make your payment. Once you have made your payment, you will successfully purchase diamonds on Mango Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.